Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to introduce our latest modular kitchen design collection that is sure to elevate your space to new heights of style and functionality. Our curated selection blends form and function seamlessly, offering a wide array of design options to suit every taste and lifestyle, from sleek minimalistic aesthetics to timeless classic and innovative space-saving solutions. Our modular kitchen designs are a testament to modern living. Our collection showcases an impressive range of material, finishes and color palettes, allowing you to create a kitchen that reflects your personal style. Whether you prefer the warmth of natural wood, the sophistication of high gloss surfaces, or the industrial chic of concrete textures, we have something for everyone. So join us in exploring this captivating modular kitchen design collection in detail. Get ready to be inspired and discover how you can transform your kitchen into a space that's not only beautiful but also tailored to your needs. Don't miss out this opportunity and reimagine your kitchen. It's time to bring your dream kitchen to life. I hope you like this beautiful collection. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.